So for getting WhatsApp on your desktop, you're going to share your WhatsApp that is on your phone on desktop. Open new tab. You're going to open new tab. On the address bar, type WhatsApp web. You will then open WhatsApp web. Okay, you're going to see something like this on your computer. So on your WhatsApp, look for these three dots or that wheel on the top right hand corner of your WhatsApp. Either you have the three dots for menu or the wheel for settings. Click on it and look for linked devices. You select linked devices and then there will be a button that says link a device. If you click on link a device, you will get a camera. Face that camera to the QR code on the desktop. Then your WhatsApp will be activated on your desktop.